Hello everyone, I'm Vina for Launch. Today, I'm going to introduce you a powerful remote diagnosis tool, the Launch SmartLink C device. With this device, professional technicians can help you solve car repair problems remotely without leaving home. The SmartLink C supports functions such as photo diagnosis, anti-key matching, and etc. It's compatible with diagnosis communication standards such as J2534, DPDU, and RP1210, covering various vehicle models, including passenger cars and commercial vehicles. It also supports high-end brands such as Ferrari and Aston Martin with convenient and professional services. Wherever you are, as long as there's an internet connection, you can easily solve car repair problems. To begin diagnosis, simply plug the SmartLink C device connector into the vehicle's OBD port. As soon as the device powers on, tap to enter remote diagnosis. The device will automatically read the vehicle's VIN and quickly generate a link code with a stable internet connection. Simultaneously, it will post a service request on the SmartLink service platform. Next, repair shops or expert technicians who owns the Launch SmartLink D device and the special diagnostic services can simply log in to the SmartLink service platform, find the corresponding order, and establish a remote connection. From the order details, you can see this diagnostic request is for Toyota vehicle. Now, let's see how the technician solves the problem remotely. Once connected, the technicians use the special diagnostics device to enter the diagnostics interface. After selecting the Toyota model, navigate to Internet function to start smart detection. The diagnostics result indicates a problem with the BCM. With a tap on Clear DTCs, the device responds instantly, and the DTCs are successfully cleared, and the vehicle system is restored to normal. Just like that, the problem is solved. The entire process is efficient and convenient. No waiting, no need to take your car to a repair shop. This is the new remote car repair experience brought by the Launch SmartLink C device.